Zippy done the
Clutch.
Zippy done the ShotPut. There we go.
Do a ShotPut.
Come on, ShotPut.
Good try.
Oh, good one. Oh, we come in sideways after it. Oh, there you go. Zippy, kill.
Whatever's the matter with him.
Kill. Kill.
That's it, get that going in. Now, throw it a little bit. Good, Zippy is coming after you. Kill it. Kill. Kill. Leave it. Oh, kill it, Zippy. Zippy. Kill. He's like a falcon, isn't he?
You have to put that on YouTube.
He's like a sea eagle. Killing the wild.
Shark.
Zippy. Kill. No,
Hey.
wait, leave
Leave the table.
the table alone.
And the fireplace.
That's it. He's taking the piss
Zippy,
out of you, Zippy.
Zippy, I think it's dead now.
He's making a fool out of you, Zippy.
I think it's dead. Zippy, I think it's dead now.
It's not. Look, it's laughing at him. Now what, Zippy? Now what? Oh,
Do a ShotPut.
ShotPut or hammer? What? Come on in. Come and have a go. Oh yeah.
ShotPut.
There you go. Swing it round, Zippy. Go on. Give it a big throw, you little devil. Zippy.
Come on, you little pony.
I just love the noise of his
Yeah.
feet.
Oh, now what you seen? Something more interesting? The stable. Oh, quick, that's having a go at you, that was, wasn't it? He was giving you the eye then, I tell you. Don't eyeball me, Zippy said.